So really what of more potential value is to look at this problem you're having with the notion of being someone.
Yeah.
Which, of course, in modern day non-dualistic circles is not something you want to be. You don't want to be anybody. So that's just kind of how it's evolved. And so thinking that you're somebody is tantamount to being a spiritual idiot. Well, you just don't realize that you're wholeness, that you're consciousness, that you're the spacious awareness, you're the silence, you're the totality. You're not this. And when you can transcend this, then you will be that. That's kind of how it's laid out. But there's still a you that we got to deal with. Even the you that's going to be that. And the you that experiences that spacious awareness. When it all gets really big and open and unified. What is the point of awareness in which that is known? How is it that differentiated from me? Those are the kinds of questions that we're looking at. To get out of the philosophical quagmire and all of that, I simply come back to the root of Advaita, which is not two, and say basically that this which appears as two is one, appearing as two. So the appearance of two, the duality, this life, this dance of life, is not a mistake. And particularly not your mistake. That as soon as you correct it, then it's all going to be gone. You don't have that much power. And so the point of this teaching is that you're not a mistake. You are, in fact, an expression of the unity. We all are. It all is. And so this dualistic expression, you and me and the other, this and that, is part of the unity. And it doesn't have to be transcended in order for there to be freedom. It simply has to be, quote, recognized for what it is, as it is. That's the freedom. The acceptance of what is.